Little Lane Learning. Hi guys, it's me again, Reagan, and we're gonna do one of my favorite activities, making cupcakes with my brother here. We're gonna be setting the oven to 350 degrees. We're going to be putting these cupcake liners into the baking pan. So we are going to be putting all these ingredients in this big bowl. So now we put all the ingredients inside of this big bowl. So now we are going to mix it. Are you ready to do the button? Now we are going to put our batter inside of the cupcake liners. Now we will set the timer to 20 minutes and then we will close the oven up. Now that the confetti cupcakes are done, now we are going to decorate them. I enjoyed showing you guys how to make cupcakes, and if you want to make them at home, I'll put them down in the description below, and thanks for watching, you guys.